Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this clean girl makeup look for you guys today. I haven't done a tutorial in so long, so let's get right into it. So first I'm going to be prepping my skin with the Glow Recipe Hyaluronic Plumping Cream. Oh, I love my haircut. I actually just got it cut today at Bobby Mac Hair Salon in Philly by my friend I haven't seen in so long, Anne, and she literally killed it. I'm going to be using Caudalie eye cream. Shout out to Natasha for getting this for me to try. So for me, like, since I have like lashes on, Lilac Street lashes by the way, I'll put little thing in the cards if you guys haven't seen that video. If it's not there, that means I don't know how to figure it out yet. So bear with me, but I'll put it in the description in the bio. At least that. So now I'm going to be taking Charlotte Tilbury's Flawless Filter. So this one I just kind of use on the high points of my face, just to give like an extra glow. And then I don't blend it out yet, so I'm going to be using the Nars Light Reflecting Foundation today. And I just want like minimal coverage. I don't want something super heavy, but I like this formula because since it is skincare infused, it's not super light, but it's also gonna last throughout the day. With tinted moisturizers, I feel like, yes, it's super light, but if you're doing something for an all day, they don't really last. So I'm gonna be taking my Sephora 56 brush. This is one of my favorite brushes. And then I'm gonna start from the center of the face, kind of like where I'm like the most red. And then like as for all these like other little acnes, like I don't really care about them too much, so I don't really cover them up like that. And then I'll kind of go on top of where I put all the Charlotte Tilbury and kind of just blend that in to the rest of my face. Super like radiant and dewy. And the color match is spot on, so it doesn't look like even like makeup. So now I'm going to be taking Kosas Creamy Concealer. This is one of my favorite concealers. If you are dry and you feel like you want more, like a lot of coverage, this is a really good hydrating full coverage concealer. It's also super brightening and it is clean. I usually honestly could probably just do this for my whole face, but today I just want a little bit extra coverage, and then I'm going to kind of pull up here. And since I do have lashes, I'm not going to be doing anything to my eyes. Same with my beauty blender, blend that out. And I'm like really kind of staying in the area. I'm not going all the way down and then angling upwards. Like that. Now that we're here, I'm gonna be just doing a little bit of bronzing. I'm not gonna be doing much contour today. I'm gonna be taking the Nars Laguna bronzer. This is their original one. And then before I do that, I'm gonna lightly set my face. And I'm gonna do that with the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Finish in the shade number 2. And this one I'm just gonna be taking like a super like loose brush. I don't really want I don't want a lot of powder, but just like kind of enough like in the areas I get more oily, which is just like my T-zone and setting under the eyes. And then I'll kind of just take whatever is remaining to the rest of my face, but I didn't dip back into that powder. Morphe M527. And I'm gonna be starting kind of at the higher points of my cheeks, so I'm not contouring, right? So I'm not starting back here, which will mimic a shadow, and you don't want a warm tone bronzer, which is what this is. You want something that's cooler to mimic a shadow. So I'm actually gonna go up a little bit higher because this is where naturally the sun's gonna hit me. The sun's coming down, this is gonna be the most elevated. So you kind of wanna go where the highest point is. And then like notice that I do this in like a patting motion. I'm not necessarily swiping. I feel like the swiping can sometimes take that product off. And I'm just gonna do like just a little just down the jaw. Same thing on the other side. And yes, my eyebrows are microbladed, but I will be going through with a pencil just to kind of define them. When I don't wear makeup, then I obviously don't do anything to my eyebrows, but if I do have makeup on, I feel like it just kind of completes it, and I do need a little bit of something. And then just kind of on the side of my nose, but again, I didn't dip into anything. Like so. And then I just love blush for a no makeup look. And this is one of my favorite blushes from Dior. This is the 001 Pink. This is like always sold out, so hopefully you can get your hands on it, but this is like a must, I feel like, for everybody. And I'm gonna take it on a MAC 1, I think it's 113, 116, it's kind of off, but it's their blush brush. And then right on the apples. I'm gonna go a little bit higher, kind of almost under my eye, and drag it up. Just like that. And like when it's under the eye, you're noticing like when you first put your blush down, it's going on your cheeks. So that's where the most pigment's gonna be. But if you're just kind of blending upward, it's just like whatever is remaining, and the pink will kind of give a little bit of a brightening effect. And then just like a little across my nose bridge. Okay. Feeling cute, feeling cute. I haven't had my coffee yet. So I got a dirty chai today. I have it iced, but I forgot to say iced. And I was like, it's not a big deal, so. Okay. So now I do like a little bit of extra highlight. Taking the Hourglass Ambient powder palette, and I'm gonna be taking this one down here, just kind of lightly setting up my cheekbones, just right there. I feel like this just kind of adds dewiness and freshness to the skin. Center of the nose bridge. And then I'm gonna go on to my eyebrows. So I've been using ash brown for my brows recently. And this is a nice color. So I pretty much I'm just following what I already have, except I'm going to be still super light with it. And the last step is the lips. So the lips, I always like to do like a liner and a gloss. That's kind of like my favorite combo. So I'm gonna be taking this Buxon lip liner in High Def Honey. It's like a plumping lip liner, but I don't think it really plumps, in my opinion. And then I'm just gonna draw my lips a little bit over, because I usually like to overdraw. Okay. And then I'm going to take a gloss of choice. So I'm going to probably just do this one from Merit. It's for Merit in Taupe. So it's like a neutral brown. I like this. Super pretty. And then last step, I'm just going to take my favorite setting spray. This is the Airbrush Flawless Filter from Tilbury. And then just lightly just set my face. I cover my eyes because I just don't want it to go on my lashes. And then I usually will go back in with my Beauty Blender and just kind of really press that in. And I feel like when I do this step, it kind of takes away that powdery look. It makes it very skin-like. This is the finished look. It's super fast. I can usually do this in like 10 minutes and I'll be out the door. And it'll last all day. You look really polished, put together, and it's just kind of just enhancing your natural features. Alright, so that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please subscribe and give a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!